Welcome to hands-on-real-estate-investing.com. We have a ground floor condo that had a plumbing backup and leaks. The bathtub hot water valve busted and it caused water damage in this area of the bathroom, and we have taken on the task to do drywall repair ourselves to save a few $100s. Visit us at handsonrealestateinvesting.com for all of the details, including our heated discussion with Condo Association management to determine whose responsibility it was to unclog the main line. handsonrealestateinvesting.com.